Hello everyone. In this tutorial on PMN Online, we will learn how to unblur images and videos in Grok AI. Have you ever come across an image or a video that appeared blurred, leaving you frustrated because you couldn't see the details? Well, you're not alone. Many people face this issue, especially when using platforms that automatically blur certain types of content. But don't worry. Today, we're going to tackle this problem with Grok AI. By the end of this video, you'll be fully equipped to locate the settings that manage automatic blurring, understand what these settings do, and pick up some useful tips to ensure everything functions smoothly. Just a quick reminder, always use these settings responsibly, adhering to local laws and the platform's guidelines. Let's dive right into the process. First things first, open up any modern web browser you prefer. In the search bar, type Grok and hit enter. It's crucial to find the official Grok AI site among the search results. Be cautious and select the legitimate link that matches the official domain, and avoid any lookalikes or sponsored results that might be misleading. If you're already logged into your Grok account, that's great. If not, just follow the on-screen instructions to sign in. This step is essential because you need account access to reach the settings panel where all the magic happens. Once you're on the main interface of Grok AI, take your gaze to the bottom left corner of the screen. Here, you'll notice a small profile icon or avatar. Click on it, and a quick menu will pop up. From this menu, select Settings. This area is where you can adjust your account preferences, app behavior, and content controls to suit your needs. Now, inside the settings, focus on the left sidebar. You'll want to select Data Control. If you're working on a smaller screen, you might notice that the sidebar is collapsed. Simply expand it to view the full list of options. The Data Control section is your go-to place for managing how content is displayed and regulating what the app is allowed to show. It's here that you can tweak features linked to sensitive or potentially restricted material. Look for the option labeled NSFW content. NSFW stands for Not Safe for Work, and it usually refers to content that might be sensitive, mature, or potentially unsettling. Switch this option on. When you do, you might encounter a confirmation prompt. This prompt is typically a reminder of what the setting involves or a request for you to acknowledge age-appropriate access. Simply confirm to apply this change. Keep in mind, if you can't locate this option, it might be due to regional restrictions, your account type, or the specific version of the app you're using. With the NSFW content setting enabled, Grok AI will lessen or entirely remove the automatic blurring on images and videos in supported contexts that you choose to view. However, remember that the platform's rules are still in effect, and some materials might remain restricted due to safety policies. If you notice that the change hasn't taken effect immediately, try refreshing the page or restarting the app. Whenever you want, you can go back to this setting to disable it if you prefer a more secure, workplace-friendly experience. So there you have it. You've successfully navigated to the official Grok site, accessed your profile menu, entered the settings, selected Data Control, and enabled the NSFW content option. Always use this feature thoughtfully, respecting community guidelines, and only viewing content you're comfortable with. If you face any issues, make sure you're on the official site, logged in, and that your app or browser is updated to the latest version. Hopefully, you now have a better understanding of how to unblur images and videos in Grok AI. For more step-by-step tutorials and guides, subscribe PMN Online so you never miss an update.